afternoon, everyone. It is just wonderful to join you today and to tell you a little bit about some of the things that I think make this such a special time to be making a commitment to be an educator, and also such a special time to be making a commitment to the School of Education at American University. I can't even imagine the challenges that you all have gone through finishing up your own education in this COVID-19 time and space. And I think in the School of Education, we have been seeing how the experiences that you individually have endured and the resilience that you have had to get through that experience is something that is rippled throughout our entire K-12 system. You know, one of the things that has been so clear to me is that the pressure of continuing to have, you know, deep learning experiences, equitable learning experiences across race, across socioeconomic status, you know, ensuring that students in every part of our communities in DC have the experience of continuing to learn. You know, all of that has been placed on the shoulders of great teachers. You all are going to be the folks that hold up these students, not only during this time, but that every piece of inequity we're seeing in the system in this moment is just a symptom of the broader inequity issues that we see in education at large. But I also want to give you a little touch and a little preview to why it is that coming into American University's School of Education at this moment in time, devoting yourself to be an Eagle at this moment in time is just such an exciting piece.
And I'm Tracy Dennis. Welcome, everyone. I am actually a full-time faculty member, and I am the director of the Undergraduate Teacher Education Program. So we're going to briefly give you a program overview. When you get your BA in elementary education, you'll be eligible to teach grades 1 through 6. We have reciprocity with a lot of other states, but you would ultimately have a DC license. We do have a bachelor's in secondary education, and that makes you eligible to teach grades 7 through 12. And then I just wanted to talk a little bit about our curriculum highlights in the teacher education program. We have 3 main initiatives that we're really focusing on for this year and the years going forward. And that's around anti-racist teaching, practice-based teaching, and also learning science principles. One thing a lot of students say they love about our courses is they're not lecture-based. They're very experiential, they're very engaging, so you'll be up practicing your teacher moves, you'll be applying theory to practice. We have
Hey everyone, my name is Chelsea. I graduated. I did study elementary education with a minor in dance. I'm a double Eagle, so I'm doing the BA MA program. So I'm getting my master's starting in the fall in special education and learning disabilities. One of the best things for me was our size and our cohort. We all got super close. We have that group chat. We are always active in it, super supportive.
I just graduated with elementary ed too, like Chelsea and Emma. And like Chelsea, I'm doing the 5-year bachelor's master's programs. Our cohort made it amazing. So did all of our professors. I feel like that's something that's unusual, is like if our professors are comfortable with it, like we have their phone number, we text them if we're stressed out. We know that they're always there to support us. So I think just the family, like Chelsea said, is really great. But then we visited schools during our observation courses where we were in a school every week, almost every week. And then we had volunteer hour requirements. I feel like I was just constantly being pushed to be in schools, work with students. And so that was one of the best things for me, I think.
So Chelsea and Tessa talked about the end of college experience, and for me, I was thinking a lot about the beginning in the School of Education, because I actually joined the School of Education my sophomore year, and then my first year in the School of Ed, I took the field experience class that Tessa mentioned, where you see all these different types of schools, and I took Schools in Society with Dr. Dennis, and it just sort of was a really great way to be exposed to education and help we realized that, yes, like I made the right decision, like this is the field I want to be in.
So we just definitely want to make sure that we are here to answer your questions, to nurture and support your growth, and just to make sure that you have the best experience possible in the School of Education. So please, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. We are here for you.